What's that, Kev? Going to attempt to kill the second guy in 2 hits?
Pretty much. Right, are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this done. Damn it!
You're not gonna power up now.
I'll just kick this dragon's face off instead. And off. Shit. That guy was so hardcore.
Kyle, I walked past him and I was fine.
Lies.
You just saw me do it before I died. No, you're not even powered up.
Shut up.
It don't suck.
That's the first level when we can hit once.
But I wanted to see him turn into a dragon.
He'll turn into a dragon, don't worry. There you go. I got revenge. He's so invincible when he's a dragon.
Aww.
It's like kicking an innocent animal in the face.
It's not innocent, it kills you.
Here we go.
Yay! Oh, I forgot you could do that as a dragon.
Melted that one. Where does it stand? Right, you're there.
Yeah. Wait, let me see it first.
It got me. There we go.
Aww.
I've started too close to him the first time. Look at him like standing up as a dragon.
Why did he follow him? He just destroyed them.
Because he's trying to kill him.
Alright, is that the point?
Yeah.
This game?
Look at that guy like melting in a bath.
The point of me and Kira playing this game was like just to like play it.
Yeah, but the actual story is that you've got to like hunt down that bug.
Hey, no wait, me and Kira did get to this level. What did you turn into this level?
A bear.
Yeah, we totally did get to this level. I remember, because we were cool. The hell? Centaur men. They just killed themselves.
Oh shit. It's like game over.
Yes, is a button.
Yep.
Dun, dun,